The project is mixed-use complex. Sites located in Oba neighborhood in Alanya. Important locations in Alanya. The site with surround, the yellow parts are project site. As microanalysis, the left one is solid void analysis and right one is function of the buildings. In traffic analysis, we can see density of the road. There is some requirements for a mixed-use complex project. My concept is bringing together the order and complexity of the environment, homogeneous equilibrium which established with very different structures. I will make it with open, semi-open, and indoor areas. I have 4 entrances to the site. As a placement, right part is residential, left part is offices, and middle part is retails. Process of design. Some steps. On the site plan, the down part is for residential units. It's a privacy space. The other parts are for offices and retails, and also I have exhibition area on the right entrance. The basement floor plan. The left part is there is indoor parking area for retails and offices, and the right part is for residential units. There is indoor parking area and also some facilities like indoor pool, massage salon, sauna, Turkish bed, etc. On the ground floor plan, the right part is residential units. The left one is retails and also a building for restaurants to separate the big one. On the first floor plan, the left part is offices and middle part is retails and right part is residential. On the second floor, that is just residential part and also a roof garden for residential units. Third floor plan. As we can see, the floor layers are moving to the right, like that. Front elevation, back elevation. Section, we can see an interactivity in design. Some perspectives. I have a ramp to reach first floor and also to roof garden for residential units. Residential part. Retails. This is exhibition area. This public space on second floor. This is the entrance. Interior perspectives. These are exhibition walls on ground floor. We can see sunlight thanks to gallery space indoor. Thank you.